Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai i10. In this video I'll show you safety systems preview. The 2017 i10 includes ABS, electronic stability control, traction related systems and hill start assistance depending on specification. More advanced systems such as autonomous emergency braking and lane steering assistance were not widely available on this generation. Safety settings are generally limited compared with modern vehicles. With many systems operating automatically, the best approach is to keep the factory safety systems enabled at all times. Many safety systems comes in later car manufactured than first from this generation. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.